WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Well, we are tracking two big weather events, wind and rain today and then snow by midweek. I'm Mary Marshall with this WUSA 9 weather impact update. We have a weather impact alert today. Between now and 10 p.m. is when we'll notice the most impactful weather. We've got strong damaging wind in the forecast and a chance for rain. Even a rumble of thunder cannot be ruled out. So the wind is between now and 10 p.m. The impact, power outages, tree limbs could come down. What do you need to do? Secure items that are loose outside. If you got something on your patio or in your yard, maybe your trash can, if it's empty, you may want to bring it in so that it doesn't blow around. And charge your devices like your cell phone here. You can charge that just in case the power goes out. You'd have a way to contact family and friends. And also, you'd be able to have the WUSA 9 app, and you can follow the storms with us and get more information there as well. So we're always handy for you and here to help. All right, here's what we're looking at. We've got showers and storms pushing through later this morning into the afternoon. You will notice those showers and storms coming in could pack some heavy rain. Most of this will be rain, but there are a few spots that could see an isolated storm pop up. While it's rain for us over western Maryland, it's going to be snow there. Actually, a blizzard warning there for the strong winds and the snow. This is at about 2:20 or so in the afternoon. This will be one of the final pushes of rain. You can see it over Winchester and Martinsburg. Between 2 and 5 p.m. this will pass over Metro DC, and then we will be ending the rain but keeping the winds going strong. So there you can see that blizzard warning that's going to be happening over the western Maryland area. No winter weather advisories or anything for us today, but we're likely going to have them on Wednesday and Thursday. But today we do have a high wind warning. This is going to go until 10 o'clock tonight for wind gusts that could be up to 60 miles per hour at times. Take a look. This is Futurecast showing those strong winds coming in. You could see a wind at 2:30 p.m. gusting upwards of 58 miles per hour across D.C., Gaithersburg. All of it's on the table today. So these winds we know could cause damage. Do take your precautions with these stronger wind gusts coming in. Over the next few hours, temperatures will be well above average today in the upper 50s to low 60s. We're at 56 by noon, 58 by 2 o'clock, right around 58 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you see those winds going. Now we turn our attention from damaging wind on Sunday, just to recap here, to that snow chance on Wednesday and Thursday. So look for rain and an isolated storm today. Again, winds could gust up to 60 miles per hour. The windiest hours will be between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m., and the rain will end by 5 o'clock. It's not going to rain all day. There will be breaks in it, but all of it should be out by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Wednesday and Thursday, a high impact snow system that's going to be heading our way. Temperatures are going to be cold enough to support all snow for this particular system, and we could see several inches adding up. A trend that I've seen over the past few days of analyzing the models that are available to me is that this has been shifting just a little bit further to the south, but still enough to give us a high impact. An early look, I'm thinking 5 inches or more of snow very easily across the area, and especially if you're south of D.C., much higher amounts there. But you can see this system coming together, and then offshore later Thursday, it is going to continue to strengthen as it moves further up the East Coast and brings some snow and wind to those areas as well. So for us, this is what we're looking at in terms of an estimate of how much snow we could see. This is the American model, the GFS. It gives us anywhere from the low end 4 inches upwards toward 8 inches of snow. Even higher you can see along the eastern shore. Now the European model was very aggressive on this, but in the last few days it's even scaled back. Now it's giving anywhere from 4 inches to 12 inches, which is a little bit more, a lot more actually, but this is actually lower than what it had before. Before it had us with 24 inches of snow. So we've gone from 24 inches to 4 to 12. So you can see that range coming down, models starting to come together with a little bit more agreement about the potential shift a little bit further south of this particular system. So that's something that we will continuously watch. Here's your 7-day forecast. You'll see temperatures up to about 62 degrees on today, then right around 40 for President's Day. If you have that day off, that's great. You can enjoy a nice weather day on Monday and Tuesday before it gets messy on Wednesday and Thursday with the snow coming. We'll be down to about 30 on Wednesday. Some areas won't get out of the 20s. 33 for your Thursday with snow ending by Thursday afternoon. Friday 36 and 37 on Saturday.